Okay, so we have made two different characters, but our second character is kind of boring. Our copper character here. Let's add in, copper. Let's give it a behavior. Let's give it pathfinding. Yeah, let's do pathfinding. There's two ways to do like making it move and follow. One is pathfinding, another is called custom movement. Oh wait, sorry, they have a new behavior. I forgot, there's a new behavior. I haven't actually tried this. Let's give it a go. So, this is a behavior called follow. It is only like a month old. So they're constantly updating and trying to make things better. I don't know how this is going to work. So let's have a look. Let's find out together. So we're going to do on starter layout. Let's do system, starter layout, copper is going to follow object. It's going to follow our player. Let's see what happens here. Okay. You need to click on layout 1. I'm really curious to see. Whoa. It's not what I quite envisioned. Okay. But why does it jump? Like, why does it jump to... It starts, like... I didn't get why it's... I like the following movement, but I do not like how it jumps. So let's just have a look at why it's doing that. Okay. There's got to be a setting here. Follow destroyed. Whether to destroy the object at the point the follow object is destroyed. Okay, let's give it a go. So play around with it. This is a new behavior. I really don't like how it jumps though. Like, that's really strange. Like it kind of jumps really quick. Let's go 3. So just play around with it. This is, the joys of making games. Alright, so it does move towards me in a way that I don't really like. I want it to follow, but not jump to me. Let's do distance. Let's try that. Okay. We might need to change those numbers. That's pixels now, so let's go 90 and 90. No. This is not good. I don't know. Okay, let's go. It's following. It's very strange, but I don't really like it, so I'm going to delete it. So this is, the joys again of I need to test this out a bit better. Yeah, delete it. Alright, let's do pathfinding. Because we want it to find paths, not jump around in things, and not for it to feel like it's like a puppy dog that's following you around. Alright, so on start of layer, so let's go system, every 0.1, let's do every 2 seconds. Let's try every 2 seconds. And then we're going to check to see the distance between the copper and the player. So if it's close enough, compare I just got to remember how to do this. We're going to do system. We're going to compare 2 values. Compare 2 values, there we go. Alright, so we go distance, and then we go player.x player dot y, and then we put in here our other object, our other character, so copper dot x, then copper dot y, and is less or equal to 250. Alright. Then we're going to go add action, copper, find path to the player dot x, player dot y, and then we're going to add another event here, player path found, copper path found, and we go add action here, move along the path. Alright, let's see how this goes. Click on layout 1. Alright, so just after some quick debugging, I managed to figure out what was going on. Alright, so number 1, let's change this number from every 2 seconds to every 0.5. And let's change this number to about 500 or maybe even 700. You've got to test these numbers out again. Okay, let's give it a go. There we go, it is following us. Excellent. So this is a lot more complicated one. Let's also make it so it doesn't go upside down. We aren't going to rotate the object at all. So just click on there, rotate object, and we're going to disable that rotation. So here we go. Oh, let me kill that bad guy first. Awesome. How good is that? Alright. So let's program with, now that we're jumping and it's starting to feel a lot more like a game, let's program it so that if you, at the moment you can only shoot one way. Let's change it so you can shoot both ways, okay? Oh well, yeah. So the easiest way to do this is we just have a character, click on our player, go instance variable, shoot direction. Just write shoot direction is going to be it, and we're going to do, we'll just make it a number. Okay. So add event here, keyboard on key pressed. So when the left arrow is pressed and the right arrow, we are going to be able to see. And then on right, we're going to make one. Actually, default is right. So we'll do left is 1. Set value. Yep. 1. For left and right is 0. Now we come down here, we come back to our key is pressed one here. We're going to add a sub event, so I'll show you how to do that on key. Actually, let's just keep it a bit simple. So we'll go to player and we compare value. Oh, there it is. See, even the teacher sometimes struggles to find the right one. Okay, so when it is 1, that should be a 0 there too. So when it is 1, and then we're going to do is equal to 0. So now, when we spawn the electron, we're also going to have to set the bullet speed. Alright, so we'll make this one negative 400, and we'll make that one 400. Alright, let's give that a go. Hopefully that works. Whoa, look at that, that's amazing. Alright, so there you go. You've got your player, you've got the ability to shoot different ways. The last thing I want to do in this is if you shoot too many electrons, yes, too many, Something bad happens. I don't know. What should we make happens? Let's figure that one out.